Hey guys, welcome to another video. This week I'm going to be making a leaf painting. So in addition to this black canvas, I went outside and I grabbed some leaves. I'm going to use some paint and some fall colors and thin it out with a little bit of varnish. And I'm thinking about adding in some glitter too. So getting started, I'm going to pick off a leaf here and mix up some of the yellow paint with some varnish. Using a makeup sponge, I'm just going to apply the paint to the back of the leaf, and I'm really experimenting with this painting. So these first few leaves I just pushed down with my finger, and they didn't turn out exactly how I wanted. So for this next leaf, I'm applying the paint with a paintbrush instead, and I'm also going to use the paintbrush to smooth down the leaf onto the canvas to apply the paint. Ultimately, I decided to apply the leaf design by using the makeup sponge to press down the leaf. I think it gave the leaves a pretty cool effect. I just think I used too much varnish in the paint so they didn't have much color. So when I originally set out to make this painting, I wanted it to be very layered in terms of how I placed the leaves. So I pretty much covered up the entire yellow layer that I created with orange and red leaves. Because I had been using the makeup sponge to apply the leaf design to the canvas, I ended up with a lot of sponge marks on the outsides of the leaves. So I took some black paint and cleaned up some of those edges. And after cleaning up all those edges, I realized I had a lot more space to add some more leaves. So I decided to mix in some glitter with the paint. I also decided to add in a couple of white leaves to add some contrast. I'm just finishing this up with some white paint on the makeup sponge all around the edges. And that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week.